back to the vlog. For today's vlog, we are here in Taiwan. This trip was sponsored by Kuya F and Apple. Joke lang. Hindi, sila yung nag-gift sa amin ng airplane ticket. So, thank you so much, guys. We arrived here in Taiwan around 10:30 a.m. And then, nag-bus kami ng 12:20 p.m. papunta dito sa Taichung City. We are staying here in Sparrow Hotel for 2 nights. So hanggang 17 lang kami dito. The hotel is super nice, you know. We have window and the bed is super laki. Tapos may extra space doon, yung table na yan. So let's go. Samahan nyo kami ni Bebe bumaba para maghanap ng kakainan. Hello!
Hi!
Fresh from the bathroom.
God damn. I poop hard. What's the agenda today?
Wala. Free day. Anything you like.
Okay, we sleep. Gutom na ako, be. Hanap tayong resto.
Okay.
10 minutes siguro.
Sige. Thank you, Kuya F and Apple.
For making this trip happen.
Hello, everybody.
We can eat.
Bakit?
Gutom na ako.
Wow. This is our neighborhood.
Asim ng street.
I don't know.
Saan ba tayo galing?
Sa Lagusan.
Oh, ito rin no, yung hotel na isa bird din. Ayun no.
Ay, Sparrow din siya.
Sparrow.
Sparrow Hotel.
Ayun ganda ng hotel na
That
ito.
one.
Fit check. Fit check.
Hindi naman kita. Ay, galing tayo dito kanina. Yeah. Ito yung nilakad na nating street kanina.
Ah, talaga ba? Kainan.
Tatawid.
Pwede mo tumawid?
Tawid.
Anong hello sa ano? Taiwan?
Ni hao.
Ano? Hindi nga.
Chinese, di ba?
Oo.
May kaming restaurant. Papa Po yung name. Papa Pho. Pho.
Papa fruit.
Papa Pho. We found this Vietnamese restaurant. And ito yung menu nila. Dumating na yung spring rolls. No to fried food because mataas ang cholesterol ko. Dito kami sa labas ng resto kumakain. Look. Medyo maingay, pero okay lang.
So big.
Ano yan?
I'm not big.
Priorities. Inamoy ko to. Shit, taglalaway ako. Sarap.
Kaya na.
Pwede na, hintay kita eh.
Ano to?
Okay, let's eat. Sarap?
Kamalik ka. Ang hap.
Tikim.
Ito.
Ano ba siya?
Laki ng hipon. Diyos ko. Dahil pang kainan doon, may Japanese, may tayo. Ang sarap ng Japanese resto. Wow. Thank you.
Hi guys! Bumalik muna kami sa hotel after dinner. Parang sarado lahat ng stores. Wala kaming gana mag-street food dahil busog pa kami.
Yung stinky tofu ay stinky. FYI guys.
Amoy coral daw.
May koral ng baboy.
Try kami mag-Uber papunta sa Fengjua Night Market. Yun daw yung biggest night market. Tinatamad na siya mag-commute. This is the lobby of our hotel. Very industrialized design. Parang kwarto namin. Nagbubook siyang Uber papunta dun sa night market.
Meron na.
Meron na agad?
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Treating every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't mind if all that you say is not true. No, I don't mind. I just wanna end all my days with you. If I'm being honest, baby, I don't really care what this is. 'Cause I've been feeling all this lately. Kinda wishing that a heart just didn't
Harap! Good, good, good. Top one.
need you 'cause I thought that you knew that I don't mind ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't mind if all that you say is not true. Oh, I don't mind. I just wanna end all my days with you.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to the vlog. Today is our day 2 here in Taichung City. And ready na kami ni Bebe. Umalis. Haha! Late na kami nagising around...
Hungry.
Yeah. Mga 10 a.m. na kami bumangon eh. So, right now it's 11:45. Magla-lunch muna kami bago kami gumala. The outfit for today is polo. Kasi mag-museum kaming dalawa. And look. Kaya eto yung outfit ko kasi hindi ko na masarap yung zipper sa likod. Ayan, the illusion. Can I see the fit? Okay.
David Jason, kabahan ka na.
Yay! Asa yung food mo?
Init pa.
Andito kami ngayon sa 7-Eleven para magpa-load ng card for the bus and bumili na rin ng food dito si Beth para makain namin yung take-out naming food, which is ito. So, sana hindi kami masita. Lunchtime! Thai milk tea for breakfast. So, ito yung sa akin. Nasi goreng siya, na chicken. Meron kefir shrimp. Ito, hawak ko. We are just waiting for the bus.
Ayan,
Pero andito na siya.
Ay, tayuan.
Bus 300. Sarap ng hangin. Ang lamig. Parang Tagaytay ang weather today. Not too hot, not too cold. Ito pa lang shades na nadala ko. May grado yung lens niya. Kaya pala nung sinukat ko nung nag-prepare ako ng things, ang linaw niya. Ang bobo ko talaga. So,
Hindi ka bobo.
Ano lang.
Okay.
ano lang.
May mali lang.
Oh, thank you.
You're just fucking dumb.
Yan, so accessory na lang siya. Ayun na yung National Theater of Taichung. Ang tangkad ng aso, putik. Going to the 6th floor.
So, Mark being a foreigner.
Kailangan namin ng tour
Country.
para ma-enjoy.
Papakiya kami. Ng matindi.
Pagkababa namin, ano to? Ah, sige, kita
Hirap
tayo.
magpanggap.
Oh, wow. More flowers for me. It's so pretty. I love this park. This is the top floor, and by the way. Ganda. Sabi ni Bebe, para kaming nasa gateway.
Pinsan kami nagde-date.
Cute! Look! It's so cute.
Ano yan?
I don't know, but it's so
Para
cute.
silang grapes.
Okay, over to the next place, which is the Natural Science Museum.
Where's the best?
It's the best if libre ka. Thanks, Bebe. Hello everyone! Nandito na kami sa National Science Museum. Naghahanap kami ng milk tea, kaso wala. Kailangan na namin ng milk tea.
Like, it's required.
Yeah.
Life Science Hall.
Anong mas bet? Science? Science, parang maganda yung Science Center. We need to buy tickets. Ito yung rates ng ticket. I guess. Thank you. Uy, what's that? Jolens.
No. That's solidified, fossilized insect.
Wow.
Whoa.
Oh.
Is that real?
I don't know.
Damn, look at this one.
I think it's real.
299,000.
What the hell? Wow. Wow. It's a capybara. But it's so squishy. Si Marga naalala ko dito.
Bakit?
Meron siya dating toy na pag pinisil mo, may lalabas na parang frog, tapos sobrang lambot. Tapos hindi na namin alam kung saan nakabili nun. Second floor. The world of semiconductors.
May show ba?
Ano siya? Hindi namin gets. But kasi walang English subtitle.
This venue is full.
Ay. Whoa! Look at that! So
Damn!
wow! Kakasabi ko lang nung paakyat kami, parang hindi ito yung nahanap kong museum. Tapos biglang, whoa! The echo! Amazing! What you looking at? Ano nakikita mo?
Whoa!
Wow! Bakit? labas kami ng museum na kasi ang boring ng museum. Tapos naghahanap rin kaming eSIM kasi naubos na yung tethering data namin na 10 gig. Walaan nyo na lang kung bakit. Suspect is always using TikTok app.
Okay. Come on. Yo.
Pupunta na dapat kami sa Chun Chui Tang na yung first na boba milk tea. Kaso nung patawid kami, nakita namin tong National Museum Science. Basta Botanical Garden Museum siya. Wow, may malaking butterfly. Do you see that? This is the museum. That's the butterfly.
Sa butterfly ba?
Moth?
Ay, mga butterfly.
Lamok? Hindi, butterfly.
Butterfly ba?
Mukha. Ay, hindi, dragonfly.
Pag mo ba? Parang tayo lang Pinoy dito.
Para siyang yung sa Singapore na,
But this one's higher.
yeah. Nung mataas yung sa Singapore. Hello everyone.
We're here at the origin of milk tea. Where do we enter?
Shitang. Hello. Ito yung store. Ang fresco sa labas. Sobrang hangin.
Ito, spicy one piece chili.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the Creator Bubble Tea. And this is Kung noodles or Kung Fu noodles. I forgot.
Is it good?
Mmm.
Where?
Sarap. Mmm.
Ilang percent?
Yung boba. Oh my gosh. It's giving.
Yep.
Ito mo ba? Maliit lang yung boba pearl. Ang sarap. 50% sugar. Mas masarap siguro kung mas matamis pa siya. Kung mga 80, no?
Parang siyang coco.
Sarap! I'll try the noodles na. Tinanong ko lang sa counter kung ano yung bestseller noodles na. Ito yung pinili. Ito yung sinabi niya. I was like, okay,
Ang tawag doon?
one of that please. Hindi ko maalala kung Kung noodles or Kung Fu noodles.
Kung siguro.
It's good. You order spicy wonton in chili oil. Sarap. Parang din typhoon?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Para kung yung pinakain namin sa China. Ay na? Ano ba?
Huy guys, ang sarap nung kinain namin. Like, wag ka maniwala kay Jazz. Inubos na nga lahat.
Yo! Chill!
Hindi, pero masarap, promise.
Milk tea lasang coco.
Na mas matabang. And then yung noodles and yung, ano yun? Wontons.
Mas gusto ko yung
Wontons.
chili wontons ng DTF.
Ako gusto ko yung kinain.
Don't get me wrong, guys. Walang ngiti lang, walang mata.
Oh.
Ngiti, no?
Oo.
Wag kang smile. Oo nga! Oo nga, mas maganda nga. Tignan mo.
Ganito.
Tingnan
Tingnan mo ako. Diba, smile. Pag may, ganyan lang. Pag may
Pangit.
mata. Pag may wala pang mata eh.
Oo.
Pag may mata. That's that me. The pretzel. Hey guys, we are now headed to the Museum of Illusions. Puro kami museum today. Well, yung first hindi siya museum, pero parang museum na rin siya. This is it.
About 150 lang.
Okay, let's go.
sticker.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can stay here and wait. You can try
Alright.
our puzzle first.
Our tour will start at 6:05. 6:05 p.m. So, we have 10 minutes waiting time. So, magta-try muna kami ng puzzles dito sa waiting area nila. Like that. Nice store.
小慧老师也是跟我一样受不了了吗？他就说什么真的吗？是这样说的吗？真的很好吃耶！
Ayun! Ay, I'm so smart!
等一下，
Alam mo yun, na-discover ko sa trip na to na geek si Fiel. Kasi sobrang nag-enjoy siya dun sa Physics Museum kanina. Nag-aaya na umalis pero ayaw pa niya. Kailangan mo masolve yan.
这个是展上在。
Guys, mukha siyang diagonal, diba? Pero straight lines talaga siya if you look closely. Explanation naman per illusion. It looks like 3D. Nakikita mo? Pero hollow, pero ano lang siya. Hindi siya 3D. Hollow lang. Eh, mukha siyang full. Okay. Pero hollow lang talaga siya. See? Eh, saan?
Sasagipin na kita ko.
This is actually crazy. That was fun. Wait lang. Look, ito yung pictures namin. Ito yung isa. Appear. Oh, very good! It's a kaleidoscope. Whoa, Phil!
Oh!
Whoa! Whoa! Ang dami mo rin dito sa video. Wow! It's so trippy! Wow! Shit, can you? Wait, hindi ko kaya. Nalulunod kami, guys.
Hindi ba gumagalaw?
Hindi nakagalaw.
Would you like to take a video? And I can stay there. You can walk through the tunnel.
Okay.
Uy, baka may hilo ka, be! Be, alam mo gusto mo?
Fucked up fried chicken. Hey guys, okay to. If you're in Taichung, go visit the Museum of Illusions. Like, sobrang crazy, ang ganda. Worth it ang 380 pesos, diba?
No.
No?
Dollars.
Ay, yeah, $380. We are finally here at Miyahara. Ito yung gusto ko talaga puntahan dito kasi Harry Potter themed yung store nila and based dito sa labas mukhang ganun na nga. No. Famous tong Miyahara sa ice cream nila. I think I'm gonna get the Yung first one, yung Ceylon Black Tea. Or salted caramel.
You can choose 2 coffee. This one. This one and
Wait. This one. Thank you. Saan tayo kain? Paano tayo papasok dun? Oh, ngayon ko lang napansin, but look. It's an ice cream ornament.
anong binili mo?
Black tea and banana something. Love it. Nakuha na yung gusto kong pait.
Ano ba?
Yeah. Sige mo sa'yo. As expected. Medyo lasang gamot. Yung banana. Pag pinaghalo natin together. Goods pag pinaghalo together. Ano to? Harap! Yo, the 7-Eleven branch is so big. What the hey? May bar! Wow! Ito pinaka-aesthetic na 7-Eleven na nakita ko. I bought dumb shit.
Pleasure, passion, excitement, you can spend time by engaged with more pleasure.
This is our last day today here in Taichung. Magche-check out na kami. It's currently 10:30 a.m. and 11 a.m. in checkout. I'm done packing my stuff. Si Fiel naliligo pa. So, ayan. That's the current situation. Magta-travel lang kami today papuntang Ximending, and from there, wala. Kung ano lang gagawin namin. So, check out. Wait.